Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic of chapter 12, that is vegetative propagation. As in the last videos we have discussed about different types of asexual reproduction like fission, budding, spore formation and fragmentation. Now we will discuss about the last type of asexual reproduction, that is vegetative propagation. So vegetative propagation, initially first of all we have to understand means what is the vegetative parts. Okay, so every plant, it has a most of the plant they have a two parts, vegetative part and reproductive part. The vegetative parts of the plants are root, stem and leaves, and the reproductive part of a plant is flower. It means because flower, it contains male and female part, male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Like flower, it has a stamen and it has a carpel or pistil. Stamen, it's a male reproductive part, and carpel or pistil, it's a female reproductive part. So the flower is the reproductive part of a plant, but root, stem and leaves, these are the vegetative part of the plant. So we can define the vegetative propagation means when the production of a new plants from the vegetative parts like root, stem and leaves of the plant are called vegetative propagation. It means whenever a new plant it grows by root, by stem and by leaves, this type of reproduction is known as vegetative propagation, because we are saying root, stem and leaf, they are a vegetative part. So if the plant, new plant, it grows from these vegetative parts, it is known as vegetative propagation. Now, as we have discussed already in the last videos, vegetative propagation, it has two types: natural vegetative propagation and artificial vegetative propagation. So natural vegetative propagation means naturally these vegetative parts of the plant, they grow, they develop new plant. Artificial vegetative propagation means by cutting, by grafting and layering. It means the human beings they develop a new plant by using this different artificial method, by cutting, by grafting and by layering. So vegetative propagation basically it is of two types, natural and artificial. Now we will discuss natural vegetative propagation, each root, stem and leaves one by one. Now first time we are discussing the natural methods of vegetative propagation. So the first we are going to discuss natural methods of vegetative propagation by root. It means root can only develop the new plant. The examples of root, by root, the root it means by the root only the new plants can grow. The examples are sweet potato and dahlia. It means in the sweet potato and in the dahlia, the roots can grow into a new plant. So you can see this is a diagram of sweet potato. As I think all of you, we have seen sweet potato, and this type of scar, this type of eyes like a potato. Okay, so on the sweet potato also these type of scars or eyes are also present on the sweet potato. These eyes, they have a adventitious buds are present in the eye. It means below these eyes adventitious buds are present. So these adventitious buds so the new plants, when these adventitious buds they come in the contact of moist soil, so these adventitious buds they grow into a new plant and they develop into a new plant. So all these eyes, they have a adventitious buds. So from only a one sweet potato, then many new plants can be grow. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eyes are present on this sweet potato. So in each eye, it contains a adventitious buds. So from these buds, because when these buds they come in the moist soil, they come in the contact of moist soil, they develop into a new plant. So from this only one sweet potato, 8 plants can be grow. So in this method the roots can be grow into a new plant. Now next type of natural method, that is stem. It means हम only stem के through भी new plant grow कर सकते हैं. Examples are potato and ginger, like onion, like turmeric. These are also another example of stem. It means in these plants the stem can be grow into a new plants. Okay, so you can see this is the diagram of potato. Okay, all of you have seen so many times potato, it is generally available in our home, okay, because most of the children, they like a vegetable, they like a potato, okay, they like chips or french fries, okay. So and all these items, they are made up from potato. It means all the children, they like a potato. So all of you have seen so many times a potato in our home, and it is easily available, okay. So I think we have seen these type of eyes. These are type of eyes are present on the potato. So these eyes, okay, these depression or these eyes, they represent a node. As we have seen, like stem, aerial stem, because potato it's an underground stem. It's an underground stem and it's a swollen because it contains stored food. That's why it is swollen, फूला हुआ होता है, because इसमें food store होता है, and it's the underground stem. Generally they are aerial stem, okay, because they are above the ground. But this is the underground stem. It means it is below the ground. It means it is present in the soil, and it is a swollen because it contains a stored food. ठीक, तो हमें पता है कि underground stem है, और हर stem के ऊपर हमें पता है, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं, each stem it contains these partition. So these thicker line, they represent a node, and between these two nodes, this is known as inter node, okay. And always a new branch, it develops from this node area of the stem, okay. So similarly these eyes, they are present on the potato. These eyes, they represent a node, and because in the aerial stem also these nodes, they contain a bud, and always a new branch, it grows from the bud. It means bud is essential for the growing of new plant, and this node area, it contains a bud. So similarly the eyes which is present, the eyes which are present on the potato, these eyes, they are also represent, ये node को represent करती है. और हम कह रहे हैं कि नोड के नीचे क्या होती है, बट इट मीन्स ये नोड भी क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पे जो आईज है इसके नीचे क्या यहाँ पे बड, एंड दीज बड आर नोन एज एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड्स, एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड और एक्सिलरी बर्ड, okay. So these node, it represents a, it contains an adventitious bud or auxiliary bud. So similarly when this bud, auxiliary bud or adventitious bud, they come in the contact of moist soil. जब हम इनको अगर हम काट के भी कर सकते हैं, if we are using an artificial method, but this is a natural method. So when this potato, because it's an underground stem, it is present inside the soil. So when these eyes, these bud, they come in the contact of moist soil, the new plants grow from these eyes. So by the stem only we can grow these plants. It means by the stem only the potato and ginger and turmeric, they can grow a new plant. Now next natural method, that is leaves. It means leaf के through भी new plant grow हो सकता है. The example is bryophyllum. So you can see the diagram of bryophyllum, okay, and so you can see this is a leaf of bryophyllum only, and the margins of the leaf, bryophyllum leaf, these are fleshy leaves, and the margins of the bryophyllum leaf, it has it has a adventitious bud. Similarly always the buds, they are present other than the other parts, other than the stem. So these buds always, they are known as adventitious buds. So हम इस पे क्या हो रही है, इसके मार्जिन पे क्या दिख रही है, हमें बर्ड्स दिखाई दे रही है, ओके, एंड दीज आर नोन एज एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड्स. सो व्हेन दीज एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड्स, they separate, they detach from this leaf, and they fall on the ground, they fall in the moist soil, and they come in the contact of moist soil. ये moist soil के contact में जैसे आती है, जब नीचे गिर जाती है यहाँ से, और तो ये न्यू प्लांट ग्रो कर लेती है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज अ ब्रायोफिलम, ओके. ये जब हम इस प्लांट को हमने जब ग्रो करवाया था, ये प्लांट हमारे पास इतना सा था, लेकिन नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स अ वेरी बिगर प्लांट. एंड सो दिस इज द मार्जिन ऑफ अ bryophyllum leaf. This is a margin, okay. So adventitious buds, they are present on this margin of the leaf. तो अभी तो यहाँ पे दिखाई नहीं दे रही, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारी पहले भी थी, ठीक है. तो जब ये यहाँ से जो बर्ड्स होती है, एडवेंटिशियस बर्ड्स होती है, जब वो नीचे गिरती है सोइल के अंदर, तो वहां से न्यू प्लांट ग्रो हो जाता है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो तो सिंगल प्लांट है, बट यहाँ पर नीचे भी छोटे छोटे पौधे दिख रहे हैं। इट मीन जब इसमें बर्ड थी और इसमें जब बर्ड जब नीचे गिरी तो क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे नीचे नीचे छोटे छोटे प्लांट ग्रो हो गए। इट मीन्स ओनली बाय द लीव्स ओनली द न्यू प्लांट्स कैन बी ग्रो। Thank you for watching my video. So if you understand by my video, like, share and subscribe my channel.